Okay, so we are going to the third store called the Yarn Over Truck. But previous, here is the sign for the altered stitch. And there's the window. Spinning wheels, classes. You can see me in the reflection. And then here is the Yarn Over Truck. So the way this works is, it used to be a Little Debbie food truck, like to cart Little Debbie snacks around. And then here is samples, more samples. And right now, oh look, there's Maridee. Hi Maridee. She's restocking. Hi. Is it okay to film you? Okay, I'm gonna put you on YouTube. Say hi.
Hello, hello.
Hi.
Happy yarn crawl.
Happy yarn crawl. Okay, so you go into the truck. Look at this. They have stairs, so you can go in the truck.
Oh yeah.
And this is my favorite thing. I'm probably gonna buy the pattern for this. And then they have all this yarn. This is so cool. Okay, I'm gonna go shopping. Bye. See you later. Bye from sunny Southern California.